Emergency responders in the St. Louis area are organizing today for the potential of flash flooding tomorrow. Late summer rain in 2022 led to prolific flooding throughout St. Louis City, St. Louis County, and St. Charles County. 5 on your side's Tracy Hinson met up with University City's fire chief to talk about plans for his area, and she is live outside of that firehouse. Tracy.
And last year when it rained on University City Fire Station number 1, it poured. Evacuees from the surrounding area were already on level 1. That flooded and then they had to be moved to level 2. Now the University City Fire Chief is looking at the forecast and hoping it doesn't all happen again.
Unfortunately, we can't stop Mother Nature, but we can do the best we can to be prepared for what happens.
Part of that preparation is a conference call with area fire chiefs
to discuss the technical rescue people and where they should be stationed and where there are boats and stuff that should be stationed around the area.
In a region with a small department, mutual aid can be critical.
Last year's flooding was so major that mutual aid was almost unavailable throughout the area. Everybody was taking care of their own.
When the scope of the emergency came into focus, mutual aid was called in from other counties.
In the 30 years I've been here, I've never seen water in this area.
University City was hit especially hard by July 2022's historic rainfall, and Chief Hinson hopes planning calls help with future flash flooding.
Flooding in a region like this where the departments are small requires mutual aid assistance, and in doing so, all those around are prepared for what could happen.
Emergency crews can only do so much. A major component of community safety is the community.
Well, my advice is for them to watch the news, keep a close eye on the news, sign up for Code Red so that they get the alerts.
Code Red alerts are in many of our area municipalities. They are direct messages triggered by emergency personnel in your town. You can sign up for them by visiting your city or county's website if they subscribe to the Code Red program. In University City, I'm Tracy Hinson, 5 on your side.
You can get the Weather First forecast sent straight to your phone anytime. Just text the word weather to 314-425-5355.